I tried explaining Bitcoin to Grandma the other day, and let me tell ya, it was like teaching a cat to knit. I sat her down with her tea, looked her right in the eyes, and said, Bitcoin is digital money that isn't printed by any country. She blinked twice and said, so it's like monopoly money. No, Grandma, I said. It's real, just invisible. Then she asked, well, how do I keep it? In my bra. I told her, nope, you store it in something called a wallet. But it's not made of leather. It's an app. She nodded real slow and whispered, so ... like a ghost purse. Now I was determined. So I gave it one more go. Imagine, I said, you're sending cousin Edna $5, but instead of using a bank, you send it straight to her over the internet, and thousands of computers around the world all agree you really sent it. She narrowed her eyes and said, thousands of computers. What are they, gossiping? That's the blockchain, Grandma, I said proudly. She crossed her arms and replied, sounds exhausting, and I won't lie, kiddo, it is kind of exhausting, but that's the magic of it. Bitcoin lets people trust each other without a middleman. No banks, no waiting, no funny business, just math, code, and a little bit of hope. Then she asked the million-dollar question. So, how much is one of these bitcoins worth? I told her the price. She gasped, clutched her pearls, and said, forget that, I'll stick with bingo. And you know what? That's fair, because Bitcoin ain't about replacing Grandma's purse. It's about giving folks an option, a way to take control of their money in a world that keeps changing faster than Grandpa's hearing aids can keep up. So if you're like Grandma, curious, cautious, but kinda intrigued, stick around, kiddo. Grandpa's got plenty more stories, and I'll explain every last coin, chain, and digital doodad until it clicks. Now be a sweetie and hit like button, and follow OL Grandpa so you don't miss the next chapter. Alright, let's make this crypto thing cozy, one tale at a time.